Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've come up with a very important topic. This topic is a concern for all the parents of toddlers who are now eligible to go to either nursery or LKG. There is one question which is lingering in the minds of parents whether to homeschool their children or to send them for online schooling. One very big concern is whether the child will be able to adapt to online schooling. So, I'm a mother of two kids. My elder one is 4 years old now, and I have decided to clear some confusion regarding these issues based on my personal experience. So, last year, when we were hit by the first wave of COVID, we were not able to send our kid either to the play school or to the nursery. So, what we did is we ordered some preschool books from Amazon, and we used to teach him regarding different topics like fruits, animals, vegetables, birds, whatever is covered in those books. The other thing which me and my spouse did was we bought him many kinds of games which we and toys which we usually find in preschools, like blocks, puzzles, uh, suitable for their age, Play-Doh, and other such stuff. So we never bought subscription boxes for our kids like Fronto Class, Class Monitor, which are available nowadays. But parents who have brought them, please do leave a comment in the comment box. It will help other parents make an informed decision before subscribing or going for these monthly subscription boxes. So what we did when our child was like 3 to 4 years of age, I've shared with you. We bought books from Amazon, and then we got lots of toys which actually they use in play schools. If we surf through the YouTube videos, you kind of get an idea as to what kind of toys do we need to buy. I will make a special video regarding it. So now coming to the online classes. So my son, he started his online classes 15 days back, and I'm going to share my experience regarding online schooling and why I'm a pro for it now. That means I support online schooling for children going to kindergarten. So the only benefit which I see of online schooling is that their exposure to the study part is not missing. See, if they go to a regular play school, they would have made new friends, they would have played, and it would have increased their social skills. That is a very big limitation of online schooling. But keeping that apart, if I have to talk about the benefits which online schooling offers to children, is a very different dimension. For example, from the time this online schooling has started, our kid has got into a routine, a schedule. Okay, that morning he has to get up, he has to get ready, he has to attend school. It is as mandatory as his dad attending his office, and he has to sit at one place. He has to sit and understand what his teacher is teaching, and the materials are all provided by the school, because each school in every different place, they follow a different curriculum, a different teaching style approach. So everything was provided by the school. We only had to pay the fees, and the materials were delivered at our doorstep. And the child, they have to concentrate on what the teacher is telling. They will be also seeing their classmates virtually, which is like re-emphasizing the fact that other kids are also sitting. So I should also kind of sit in one place and listen to what the teacher is telling and trying to interpret it. The most significant advantage which I felt was routine, of course, because it sets a routine for the entire day. It sets a routine for the parents. and I'm still to see more benefits of online schooling. I see the teachers are working really hard to make it a success. Children are still unsettled, but it is their first exposure to school. See, it happens no when we are in a new place or when we go to a new workplace. It takes us some time to adapt to it. Okay, so I think online schooling should not be a problem for children who are like 4 years of age or who are eligible and who fit in the LKG criteria. But if your kid is younger than that, then please don't rush, don't be in a hurry to put them into online schooling. Anything done sooner is going to have some kind of a detrimental effect on them. Just give them lots of toys to play around and be happy. Um, Another advantage which I felt online schooling is giving to kids is that they learn to adapt. We don't know, we are very uncertain how the situation is going to be. So, if we decide to wait for this year also, then they might be having difficulties in coping up when they go to the upper kindergarten or other classes. So, my opinion is that if they are eligible in the LKG criteria, then it's better that you just enroll them. The classes should also be only like 1 hour, 1.5 hour, not more than that, because children cannot concentrate more than that. And the remaining part you can do by buying them toys, which they love playing, and they will learn also using those toys. I hope this video cleared many confusions which young parents are facing these days. Thank you.